everyone. Today we will learn about Windows 7 operating system. In this chapter you will learn that what is operating system Windows 7. As we all know that to start or to work on a computer we need the operating system. Why? Because operating system control all the functions in the computer. If we don't have operating system, we cannot do any work on it because it helps to start the computer and to do many tasks on it. As I already tell you that it control all the functions. Now students, there might be questions come to your mind like whenever a computer starts, it shows loading windows. What does this mean? Like as shown in this picture also, with the logo and name Windows 7. This screen always comes when you start computer. Now Windows is an operating system. It helps to start your computer. Let us see how to work with Windows 7. Now why we require Windows 7? Because it manages hardware and software. To work on it we need operating system. It helps to operate a computer system through its various functions. It controls and manages different parts of the computer system. It acts as an interface or a medium between the computer and its user. User means us. An interface means medium that we need something to work on a computer. If we have a computer at home but we don't have operating system, we can't do any work on it because it helps to start and work on a computer. Like if you have a music player but don't have a CD, can you listen music? No. Like that, if we don't have operating system, we cannot work on a computer. Now why we use only Windows 7? Because it is most popular because of graphical user interface. That means it has pictures, images, icons and menus are used to give commands. We don't need keyboard to input our commands. We can see the pictures and recognize what does it mean. Before Windows 7 there are so many versions also like Windows XP, Windows, Mac OS, Linux etc. But Windows 7 is most popular because of its qualities. As you see in this picture also there is Windows XP window and Windows 7. XP is the older version of Windows 7. There are some new things in Windows 7 that's why we use it. Now common features of Windows 7 is GUI. GUI means graphical user interface. It has pictures, icons which are commonly navigated by using a computer mouse. Multi-user. Multi-user means many people can work on it at the same time. Multiprocessing. It an operating system capable of supporting and utilizing more than one computer processor. Multitasking. It allows multiple software process at or run at the same time. Like if you are doing paint and want to listen music, you can do both the things at the same time. Then these are the components. Components means parts of Windows 7 as shown in the picture with the labels and the pointers. Like mouse pointer as shown here in the middle of the screen with a pointing white pointer, that is a mouse pointer. When we move mouse, it also moves and we use it to select and open the things on a computer. Then desktop icons are the pictures, small pictures which present on the screen when we start our computer. Now the first screen when we start, when we start a computer, that appears the first screen, that is called desktop. Then at the bottom of the desktop there is a taskbar which contains the taskbar icons, start button, notification area and date and time option. It also shows the icon of the running program. Now, as this picture shows the icons, whatever applications you have installed in your computer or the main icons like My Computer, Recycle Bin, Documents are visible on the desktop. Then this is a picture of a taskbar which shows that what it contains, like start button, the logo of the Windows, then quick launch icons, the shortcuts from where you can open your application, then running programs, the application which is opened in your computer at that time, that also shows on the taskbar, then notification area and the clock from where you can change the date and time. Then start button. When you click on the start button, it shows you the programs or application programs which you can use to open and to do work on it, like MS Word, MS Paint or any other application you want to do. Then this is the screen of a start button and the menu and the list which opens when we click on the start button. It is called start menu. It contains all the programs which you want to work. In the next picture we see that there is a restart button. Restart button means when you want to when your computer hangs up and you don't want to shut down, then you click on the restart button and immediately computer shut down and start again. Then how to switch off the computer? You already read in your previous classes also how to start and how to switch off. Then to switch off the computer, we first what we do, click on the start button, then first of all close all the running programs, whatever application you have opened, close them, then click on the start button, then click on the shutdown button as shown in this picture and wait until all the screen gets blank and then switch off your UPS and main power supply. This is how you can start and shut down the computer. I hope you will understand what is Windows operating system and how it works. Thanks. Have a good day.